Look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. I'm going to help you out. One of the number one questions I get asked is, Terry, how do I get money as a startup? How do I get money as a brand new business owner? Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to give you 3 quick tips. These are almost like back-end hacks to help you get in position for money, for business funding, business credit right away, even if you're a new business owner, guys. I'll do my nugget at the end. So first, nugget right here, okay, guys? A brand new business owner is if you're incorporated and been in business for 5 years and under. So some of you have been in business for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and don't understand that you're still actually considered a new business owner or a startup. Now, why is that important to you? Please understand, as a new business owner, as a startup, you are high risk to lenders. Think about all the PPP loans. Think about all the economic disaster relief funds. Well, all of that money was for what? To help business owners who were in financial distress. So you must do some things on the back end to qualify for funding right away as a brand new business owner. Got it good? All right, so tip number 1 is having 700 and above personal credit scores on all 3 bureaus. Yes, y'all, and I know you don't want to hear, but I'm about to tell you the truth. Now, I want you to think about it, right? This is an education ministry, a wealth building ministry where I educate you guys. If you have no revenue or little revenue, you have no business credit or a little bit of business credit, you have no taxes, you're brand new, you don't have any kind of big social media presence or anything else of that nature, right? If you're not established as a business, you're brand new. Well, the lenders have nothing to rate you on. When you're applying for money for credit, guys, for personal or business, to be honest with you, the lender is looking at assessing the risk in lending to you. So if you're brand new, you don't have business revenue or business credit yet, they're going to look at you, the business owner, look at your own financial integrity, and then rate you based on that to give you business credit so you can launch your actual business, okay? And then have business revenue and then qualify for what? More business credit. So guys, even as a soft pull, you want to have a 700 and above. That way you can say, I'm a brand new business. I don't have any revenue. I don't have any business credit, but me as the business owner, I have a 700 and above personal credit score. You are leveraging your personal credit to actually build your business. Now, pause. As I'm talking about business credit, right? Business funding, what do I mean? I'm talking about business credit cards, business lines of credit, business term loans, business auto loans, business equipment financing, working capital, merchant cash advances, micro loans. Guys, there is a ton of business credit out there. But what you can't be, look, nugget right here, and I need y'all to hear me on this one. What you can't do, the reason why many of you are frustrated is you can't have bad credit, no business credit, no revenue, and be brand new, and then be like, well, why didn't the bank give me $50,000? Why didn't the bank give me $100,000? Come on, y'all. We gotta get it together. So please understand that having 700 and above personal credit scores is going to help you qualify for startup funding to launch your actual business, even if it's not on your personal credit report. Just as part of the approval process, the approval criteria, they may even do a soft pull of your personal credit to qualify you because you're brand new and you have nothing else for them to rate you on. Got it good. Look, I hope that I want to really explain that for you guys because this is why many of you are frustrated, okay? Now, nugget right here. I have something for you. Number 1, if you need help with your personal credit, I have a whole course, how to improve your personal credit scores in 30 days. Guys, I will link that in the description and in the comments. And then I've put together a 10-part free, somebody say free masterclass series on business funding and business credit. Guys, I will put it in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. That's 10 hours and under that will help you change your whole entire life and is worth over 7 figures. Period. Okay, guys? So what you don't want to do is just listen to these videos casually. What you want to do is get a notebook and pen, watch 1 video a day for 10 days straight, watch 2 videos a day, for 5 days, guys. I'm giving you a free masterclass and you make a list of action items that you actually execute. I hope that helps. All right. Now, tip number 2, guys, is to make an appointment with your small business banker. Whoo, child, y'all wear me out on this one. Please don't underestimate the value of doing this. So remember, as a business, even if you're a brand new business owner, you should be incorporating, getting your EIN, getting your DUNS, getting your business bank account. Those should be four of the very first things that you actually do to position yourself for success and for money. Now, with the business bank account, you're doing that with an actual lender. Guys, please understand that essence of being an entrepreneur, being an investor, being a business owner, having a side hustle that you're scaling is that you have a product or service that you exchange for income. Come on, somebody, right? So if you have no business bank account, you have no way to get money from clients and customers. You have no way for them to actually pay you, nowhere to actually put it. So please understand that some of y'all are getting denied because you haven't done the small things like that. Because they're like, the lenders are like, how are you supposed to take you seriously as a business? And you don't even have a business bank account. Look, you want me to lie to you or you want me to tell you the truth, okay? So when you open up your business bank account, guys, again, I don't care if you have $0 and 0 cents. Make an appointment with the small business banker. Find out who that person is for your bank and for your branch. And you're having a conversation with them, sometimes in person, sometimes via Zoom, right? And you're saying to them, I'm a brand new business owner. I have my business checking and savings with you. What type of funding do you have available? And guys, let them know, they'll let you know if they have business credit cards, business lines of credit, business mortgages. Some of them have, business working capital. You would be surprised. And nugget right here, so many of the banks have funding that is not on their website, that is not advertised, that is not on a pamphlet sitting somewhere. I cannot tell you how leveraging and building that relationship with your business banker is going to help you long term. We network with everybody else. I don't know why we don't network with our lenders. I network with my lenders heavy. And I remember Citizens Bank is one of my actual, from my area, one of my bankers. And I remember when I went in there to do a transaction, my business banker told me about $150,000 business line of credit. At the time, you only needed a 650 credit score. And I did not see that line of credit nowhere. Look, nowhere. I'm like, I didn't even have no idea you guys had this. So had I not had that conversation, I wouldn't have known about that funding or about the requirements. Even if you're not in position, guys, to apply right away, do this step. I can also give you an example about how many people in my coaching and in my courses, I've had numerous people that have applied for business credit cards with their bank, gotten a denial, and then picked up the phone to speak to their business banker who was able to reassess that application and overturn it. So you want an ally. You want to build that relationship, and you want to keep on building that and growing that as you grow your business for money for your business. Got it good? All right, guys, and tip number 3 is to leverage the relationship with your personal credit items, your personal creditor. So let me explain. If you have a personal American Express, well, you're picking up the phone. Hey, what do I need? I have a personal American Express. What do I need to get your business American Express? If you have a personal Chase, and mind you guys, I'm not endorsing any of these banks. I'm giving you examples. Hey, Chase, I have a personal credit card. What do I need to have a business credit card? Hey, Capital One. Hey, Truist. Hey, M&T. Whoever it is, guys, action item. Pull your personal credit reports. I recommend my FICO or credit check total. That way you have your FICO credit scores. Look at number 1, are you a 700 and above? If you're not a 700, your next action item is to work on getting to a 700. Honestly, everybody should be able to get there in 3 to 6 months. But you're also looking at your actual accounts. Who do you currently have credit with? Guys, when you currently have credit with somebody, you have a data point. You're in their system. You're already a customer or client. That means you're much more likely to get approved for more credit, business credit, especially as a new business owner, because they already have a relationship with you. So you're going through those items. Guys, I don't care if you call one company Monday, one company Tuesday, one company Wednesday. If you follow some of these actual tips and these hacks, it will equal 6 figures and above for you. Got it good. And so don't forget your action items. You're pulling your actual credit reports. That way you can see where your scores are right now, and you can see who you currently have personal credit with. You're making sure you have 700 and above personal credit scores, and then you're also watching and downloading my 7-part series, my 7-part business masterclass, and you're investing in a course if you need to actually increase your personal credit scores and you need more help than the tons of free videos I have on my channel. Got it good, guys. So I hope that was helpful. And for my nugget, Guys, you need to be clear about what you want. I talked about your actual goals, but I mean, even as a business owner, I had somebody reach out and say, hey, this is a lot of steps. I only have $50. How can I launch my business? Guys, well, I want you to be realistic. Stop watching all these fluff videos about just having an LLC. What's the point of having an LLC if it's not generating any money? Let me say it again. What's the point of having an LLC if it's not generating any money? Please understand, if you're really trying to build wealth, that means multiple streams of income. You can incorporate your side hustle, but you're actually working that business to generate income. So do you want $3,000 a month? Do you want $5,000 a month? Are you trying to retire yourself from your job? Are you trying to retire your spouse? How can you really work it like a business? Some of y'all need to invest in a one-on-one coaching strategy session with me so I can help you actually launch. But before that, understand what it is you actually want. Because even with this business credit and this funding, guys, I want you to ask yourself, how much money do you need and what are you going to use it for? Now, pause. I did a whole video on my channel. I'll link that one too. That said, start your business now. And I talked about how I started my business in 2017 with a laptop, a printer, a cell phone, on my dining room table, and God. Literally, guys, I used what I currently had to launch my actual business, start helping clients and customers, which then generated income, which then helped me scale my business, qualify for more money, and actually kind of grow. And now I have 20 streams of income. I'm an international speaker and I'm a business coach that has helped thousands of people across the USA. But in 2017, it started with my cell phone, my dining room table, my laptop, God, and me doing the actual work. So really ask yourself, how much money do you need to launch your business? Because some of you have everything you need right now to get started, and needing business credit is actually just an excuse you're saying to yourself. I'm gonna be honest with you. You guys can start doing your actual business right now, then qualify for some business credit, and then use that to scale your business, use that to relaunch, use it to rebrand. But in the very, very beginning, just do the work, because faith without works is dead. Amen?